This is sight word context clues activity. So these are context clues riddles. You're going to read carefully, choose a word from the box down here that fits best with each clue. So remember, context clues, we have to use the words around it to figure out what the word is or what it means. So number 1, I am the color of the sky. What am I? Family, lunch, blue, work, street, snow. I am the color of the sky. Number 2, I am white, cold, and wet. What am I? Family, lunch, blue, work, street, snow. Remember, pause as you write if you need to. Number 3, I am a group of people that are related. What am I? That word related helps me, gives me a good clue. Family, lunch, blue, work, street, snow. Number 4, I am another word for road. What am I? Family, lunch, blue, work, street, snow. Number 5, I am something that you do at a job. What am I? Family, lunch, blue, work, street, snow. And number 6, I come between breakfast and dinner. What am I? Family, lunch, blue, work, street, snow. Check your answers if you need to. Make sure your name is on this paper.